What's up, it's your girl Hettyamens and it's your girl Hettyamens. Thank you for clicking to watch this tutorial. You are most definitely welcome. Yes, in today's video I am showing you how I effortlessly install this wig with no glue, no gel, and it is not messy at all. You can try it at home if you're a beginner, if you're advanced, and this is actually very quick and you don't need a lot of whatever. You don't need a board cap method, you don't need gel, you don't need a whole lot of things. You just need your fixing spray and that is it. Okay, this is actually a 16 inches frontal wig with 13 by 6 frontal, so the frontal is very deep. And then from this hair is actually for my company. It is 100% machine sewn and it comes with the knots being bleached as well, and upon request we make it glueless. And also if you also want to give it a little bit of twist and style, you can also use the fixing spray or just work on the hairline or the edges to have that neat look. So in this video you will see how I install this effortlessly, and this is actually simple. I upload twice in a week. I upload on Sundays and then Wednesdays 4 p.m. European time. See you guys in my next video. It's your girl Hettyamens.